this is my submission for SummerHack 24. It's a game called Who's the Faker? Okay, so first thing you need to do to play the game is to create an account. So only the host needs to create an account and then log in. And then you need to create a set of words. Okay. Now, to set up the game, first you need to create a lobby on a host device. So a laptop or a TV with HDMI connected is recommended because everyone needs to see the device. Then players can connect to the device. So we need 3 or more players to play the game. And they just connect to the lobby. And then the host will pick a word list that they will use to play the game with. Then the game can start, and each player will be sent their role. And a game word will also be decided by the lobby. Right? So in this case, the roles are fakers and good guys. So the good guys, the villagers, will be sent the game word as well, and the faker will not be sent the game word. Okay, now the roles. So villagers, to win, they need to find a faker, and they are given the game word at the start of the game. Fakers do not know the game word, and to win, they need to either find out what the game word is, or they need to stay hidden from other villagers. Okay, so now to play the game, there are 2 phases to the game, the word phase and the voting phase. So first phase, the word phase, is so to start it, you select one player to begin saying the words, and then you go around a circle, each person saying one word that is related to the game word. Okay. So for example, the first player could say yellow, second player could say sweet, third player monkey, fourth player small, fifth player bruised. Okay, voting phase. Now, each player will vote on who they think is the most sus. So the faker, right? So in this case, there are 3 votes to this player here and 2 votes to this player here. So the most voted is this player. Okay, and the voting phase can be summarized in this sort of tree diagram. So if you vote out a villager, then the faker automatically wins. If you vote out a faker, then you need the faker to guess the game word. And if the faker guesses the game word correctly, then the faker wins. And if the faker guesses the game word incorrectly, then the villagers win. So in this case, you voted out the faker, so he gets to guess the game word. In this case, he guesses banana, which is the game word, so the faker wins. Okay, so now time for a demo. So normally you'd use different devices, but I'm just going to use different tabs to simulate different devices. So first thing, you should go to the website and log in. So okay, and then you can create a set of words. I've already created some sets, but I will create another set. So you choose a set name, and then add some words. Okay, and you save the set. Okay, so now we have a new set. And you make a room. So this is the host device in the top left. And then each of the other players, so these would normally be phones. You click join game, pick your name, and the game code, and then you can see that they've joined the lobby. Do the same thing for here. Final player. Okay, and now 3 players are in. You can pick the set that you want to play with. Okay, and then start the game. Okay, now each player is sent their role. So to reveal. So this player is the villager. This player is the faker. This player is a villager. and you can see that the villagers are sent the game word. Yeah, and then you would play out the game with the word phase and the voting phase, and then after that, you do the voting, decide who wins, and then in the game, and then yeah, that's it. Continue playing or not, I guess. And yep, that's my project. Thank you very much.